Structured Query Language, SQL, is the standard language used to communicate with relational databases. It allows users to create, read, update, and delete data, often referred to as CRUD operations. Understanding SQL is essential for anyone looking to work with databases. In this lesson, we will explore the fundamentals of SQL and how to perform basic operations. Don't worry if this feels new at first. Now we're on What's SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's a powerful language used to manage and manipulate relational databases. SQL is used to perform various tasks such as querying data, updating records, and managing database structures. It's both intuitive and versatile, making it a preferred choice for database interactions. Basic SQL syntax. Let's dig in. SQL statements are composed of various clauses. The most common clauses are, let's walk through the main points. First, select, used to query data from a database. Next, from, specifies the table from which to retrieve the data. Also, where, filters records based on specified conditions. The full list is on the slide if you want to review it. Let's move on to executing a simple query. Let's begin with a simple example of how to retrieve data from a database. Assume we have a database called library with a table called books. The books table has the following columns: ID, title, author, and published_year. See the example on this slide. Pause if you want to study the details. This SQL statement retrieves all columns from the books table. The asterisk is a wildcard that means all columns. This section covers filtering results with where. To filter results, we can use the where clause. For example, if we want to retrieve books published after the year 2000, we can write the following SQL query. The samples on screen walk through this step. Take a moment to read through them. This statement will return only those books that meet the conditions specified in the where clause. Now, inserting data into a table. To add new records to a table, we use the insert statement. Continuing with the books table example, let's insert a new book. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. This query adds a new row to the books table with the specified title, author, and published year. Next, updating existing records. To modify existing records, we use the update statement. For instance, if we want to change the author of a book with a specific ID, we can use. See the example on this slide. Pause if you want to study the details. This command updates the author for the book with ID equal to 1. This section covers deleting records from a table. To remove records from a table, the delete statement is used. For example, to delete a book with a specific title, deletion uses a delete request as shown in the sample on this slide. This query deletes the row from the books table where the title matches. In this lesson, we covered the fundamentals of SQL, including its purpose and basic syntax. We explored how to execute simple queries to retrieve data, filter results using the where clause, and perform data manipulation using insert, update, and delete statements. Understanding these concepts is crucial for effective database management. Alright, your turn. Give this a try. First, create a new table called authors with columns for ID, name, and birth_year. Also, insert at least 3 authors into the authors table. Also, retrieve all authors from the authors table. Also, update the birth year of one of the authors. Finally, delete one author from the authors table.